In this video, we show you how to use Global Listening to access, download, securely store and play your confidential audio files for use in listening tests. You access Global Listening by logging into your My Cambridge account. If you are using My Cambridge for the first time, you must create an account using the temporary password we have sent you. Log into My Cambridge using this URL, sso.cambridge.org. Select Cambridge Assessment International Education as your awarding body and click Continue. If you are an exams officer at multiple centres, when you log in you must select the centre you are downloading audio files for. You can change the awarding body in the header if you need to. Before you download the audio files you will use in your listening tests, we strongly recommend you first download the sample audio file. This is so you can practice downloading the file and test which file format works best for your centre. See our Global Listening Administrative Guide for instructions about how to download and test the sample audio file. Finding audio files for listening tests. You will see a list of audio files. These are for syllabuses with listening tests that you have made entries for. Audio files will be visible 30 days before the timetable's date of the listening test and are available for you to download 7 calendar days before the test. If you are an associate centre, you will see a list of audio files for syllabuses with listening tests that your associate centres have made entries for. To find an audio file for your listening tests, you can search or filter. There are 2 search boxes. The first allows you to search using words or terms, for example, qualification, syllabus, component, time of the sitting. And the second allows you to search by date. To search using a term, select the search bar. You will see a drop-down window with a list of search terms. Select all the relevant search terms. You can choose more than one. Or you can filter by a single date or date range. Click the Filter by Date box. You will see a drop-down calendar. Select either Exam Date or Availability Date. Exam Date shows you the audio files available for that listening test date or date range. Availability Date shows you audio files available to download from that date or date range. Click a single date or date range to filter. Click Apply. You will see the audio files for that date or date range. Downloading files for listening tests. Click Download in the Audio Files column to download the file for a particular component. Select the file format that you want to download and save the file in. You can choose from MP3, OGG and WAV formats. If you have a slow internet speed, we recommend that you download the file in MP3 format because these files are smaller and take less time to download. You can download the file again in a different format if you need to. If you are a Cambridge associate and you are downloading audio files to share with your associate centres, you can download these from the Associate Centres tab in Global Listening. When you select the file format, the download starts. Downloading usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. The downloaded audio file is saved to your default download folder. You must not change the name of the audio files you download. If you need to download multiple audio files, you can click Download in the Audio Files column for multiple files. Select the file format you wish to download and save the files in. This will queue the files, ready to be downloaded. If you are disconnected from the internet or logged out of My Cambridge, any downloads will be interrupted. You will see an error message. Simply log in again and restart the download. Follow the steps in our administrative guide for Global Listening when downloading, saving and testing your audio files. In this guide there is also information about the audio file record you must keep. You must treat digital confidential materials in the same way as printed materials. See Section 4 of the Cambridge Handbook. If the audio files are not yet available, you can see the date when the files will become available to download in the Audio Files column. When the files are available, the Download button is visible. Once you have downloaded your audio files, you must spot check them securely. See our Global Listening Administrative Guide for step-by-step guidance about this. Contact us if there is a problem with the audio file itself so that we can support you. info@cambridgeinternational.org. If you need to copy your audio files to a portable device, such as a USB drive or laptop, you must clearly label the devices and store them securely until the listening test. See the Global Listening Administrative Guide for detailed instructions. You must make sure all portable devices are password protected, including USB drives. Passwords should contain a mix of upper and lowercase characters, numbers, and special characters. We recommend you use a different password for each device. Playing your audio files. You can choose how to play your audio files. We recommend Windows Media Player, which is available for Windows 10 and Mac OS. You can find it by typing Windows Media Player in your Windows search box. It is important you follow our instructions for using Windows Media Player. Do not drag and drop your audio files from the Save folder into the Windows Media Player library. If you do this, it may change the track names or the order of the tracks. To display the menu bar in Windows Media Player, select Organise, then Layout, and lastly, Show Menu Bar. To play your audio file, select File, then click Open. The file selection window will open. Find the folder where you saved your audio files and select the files you want to listen to. Run your listening tests according to our regulations in Section 5 of the Cambridge Handbook and the relevant syllabus document. When the listening test is finished, make sure you delete the audio files from the Recently Played list in Windows Media Player. For more information and guidance on keeping audio files secure, see the Global Listening Administrative Guide on our website. If you have any questions or need more support, please contact info@cambridgeinternational.org. Thank you for watching.